Hi guys, today I came to this charcoal and grill here in Makan, Sari. So I've ordered their grilled chicken chop, which is ringgit 15, and they are preparing it here. You can see. Let's wait for the food. Here came the chicken chop. They have given one big chicken chop, you can see, and there are some spaghetti, some coleslaw, and BBQ sauce, and also some French fries. Let me try with the French fries. Bismillah. This is good. Let me try the spaghetti a little bit. Try with the sauce. It's not well cooked yet. It should be a little bit more boiled, a bit strong. And here is the chicken chop. Let me give it a try. So here is the chicken chop, and here is the sauce. Let me just give it a bite. Bismillah. It's well grilled and well marinated. Delicious.